Welcome my dear student in 7th class, subject Maths. We have learned chapter number 5, operations on rational numbers. Let's learn rational numbers. In previous standard, we learned natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and fractions. Natural numbers, counting numbers 1, 2, addition 3 and multiplication can be done on natural numbers. Next number is whole numbers. Next number is integers numbers. Only addition, multiplication and subtraction can be done on integers numbers. Rational numbers. Number is rational numbers. The group of rational numbers is closed for all operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Complete the table. See these all numbers and which number is group of numbers. Tick mark that. 5 numbers given. Natural number first. -3 is not natural number. Only 5 is natural number. Integers. -3 is integer number. 3 upon 5 is not integer. -17 integer number and 5 is integer number. Then last rational numbers. This all numbers is rational numbers. Let's discuss natural numbers. Only addition and multiplication can be done on natural numbers. Here I solve some example. Subtraction and division is not done by natural numbers. Integers numbers, addition, subtraction and multiplication done by integers numbers. I give some examples on integer numbers. Next, natural numbers. Natural numbers is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. All operations done by rational numbers. We cannot divide it by only 0. I write down some examples on rational numbers. Here we saw operations on rational numbers. Rational numbers is written fractions as numerator and denominator. First example is 5 upon 7 plus 9 upon 11. Here different denominator multiply to make the denominator equal, multiply to each other. 5 into 11, 7 into 11 plus 9 into 7, 11 into 7. 55 plus 63 upon 77. Sum the to each number. 118 upon 77. Next example is multiplication. 9 upon 13 into 4 upon 7. Multiplying the numerator and multiplying denominator, answer is 36 upon 91. Recall. Multiplicative inverse म्हणजे गुणाकार व्यस्त. The divide one number by another is to multiply the first by the multiplicative inverse of the other numbers. म्हणजेच एका संख्येला भागणे म्हणजे त्या संख्येच्या गुणाकार व्यस्ताने गुणणे होय. For example, 5 upon 2 multiplicative inverse is 2 upon 5 because their multiplication is 1. Second, minus 7 upon 2. Multiplicative inverse is 2 upon 7. Minus number is not written. Denominator are pairs of multiplicative inverse because their multiplication is 1. Third, 8. Multiplicative inverse is 1 upon 8. 8 into 1 upon 8 is equal to 8 upon 8. 8 ones are 8. Answer is 1. These all pairs are multiplicative inverse pairs. Now, I know the group of rational number is closed for all operations. म्हणजेच परिमेय संख्यांवर सर्व क्रिया करता येतात. Practice set 22. I have solved 2 examples from each questions in this practice set. Question 1. Addition. First example is 5 upon 36, 6 upon 42. Here is different denominator, make equal denominator, find the first LCM. 36 and 42. LCM is 252. Let's denominator make 252. To get 252 denominator, which number multiply to 36 and 42? Guess this number. 36 divided by 7 and 42 divided by 6. 36 sevens are 252 and 42 6s are 252. Multiply the denominator by the which number? The same number of multiply to numerator. 35 upon 250, 36 upon 250. Denominator is 250 and numerator 35 plus 36. Sum of these two numbers is 71. 71 upon 252. Next example is sum of the mixed fraction. First, this fraction converted into fraction, simple fraction 5 upon 3 and 14 upon 5. Here is different denominator. To convert equal denominator, multiply opposite numbers 5 upon 3 and 14 upon 5 multiplied opposite denominators. 25 upon 15 plus 42 upon 15. Here make equal denominator, addition of numerators and 67 upon 15. Question 2. Carry out the following subtraction involving rational numbers. First example is 7 upon 11 minus 3 upon 7. Different denominator, convert into equal denominator, so divided by opposite denominators. 7 into 7 49 upon 77 minus 33 upon 77. 49 minus 33, answer is 16 upon 77. Next example 13 upon 36, 2 upon 40. Here 2 upon 40 divided by 2. Here I divided and reduced form of 2 upon 40. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 1 upon 20. 13 into 36 minus 1 upon 20. Here different denominator, so find the LCM of 36 and 20. Find the LCM these two numbers. I first divided by 2. 2 8s are 36, 2 10s are 20. 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10. 2 into 2 into 9 into 5, multiplication is 180. 180 is denominator of these two numbers. To get 180 denominator, which number multiply to 36 and 20? Guess this number. 20 9s are 180 and 36 5s are 180. Multiply the denominator by which number? The same number multiply to numerator. 65 upon 180, 9 upon 180. 9 subtract from 65. Answer is 56 upon 180. 56 upon 180 reduce from this fraction. 56 upon 180. These two numbers divided by 4. Divided by 4. 56 divided by 4. 180 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. Answer is 14 upon 45. Question 3. Multiply the following rational numbers. First example is 3 upon 11 into 2 upon 5. Multiplication is easy because numerators multiply at the place of numerators and denominator multiply at the place of denominator. 6 upon 55. Second example is 12 upon 5 into 4 upon 15. Multiplication, numerators multiply at the place of numerators and denominators multiply as the place of denominator. Here divided by 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12. 4 into 4 upon 5 into 5, 16 upon 25. Question 4. Write the multiplicative inverse. Inverse means exchange the place of denominator and numerator. 2 upon 5, 5 upon 2. 3 minus 3 upon 8, 8 upon 3. Minus sign give numerator. 39 upon 17 minus sign give numerator. 7. 7 is equal to 1 upon 7. This is mixed fraction. 7 3s are 21 plus 1 22 upon 3. Minus sign give the numerator. Minus 3 upon 22. Question 5. Carry out the divisions of rational numbers. First example is 40 upon 12 divided by 10 upon 14. Converted into multiplicative inverse. 14 into 4, 12 into 10. First divided by 10. 10 1s are 10, 10 4s are 40. 4 into 4 upon 12 into 1. Divided by 10. Then divided by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Answer is 4 upon 3. Minus 10 upon 11 divided by minus 11 upon 10. Here converted into multiplicative inverse. 10 upon 11 minus sign give 10. Minus 10 into minus 10. 11 into 11. Minus minus plus. 10 into 10 100, 11 into 11 120. Solve all examples in practice set 22. I hope you understand operations on rational numbers and multiplicative inverse, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Students, you all respond well, so I am very happy to make video. Thanks. Meet again. Part number 5.2.